As your family grows, your home's needs evolve, and that includes your windows. For Smithtown homeowners, window replacement isn't just about updating style or improving energy efficiency. It's also about creating a safer, more comfortable environment for everyone inside. From preventing falls to improving security and air quality, modern replacement windows come equipped with features designed to protect your family at every stage of life. Here's how upgrading your windows can help make your Smithtown home safer, smarter, and better suited for a growing family. Child safety locks and ventilation control. When you have young children, safety becomes a top priority, especially around windows. Traditional window locks and latches can sometimes be easy for little hands to manipulate, creating a fall risk. Modern replacement windows, however, come with child safety locks and ventilation limiters that prevent windows from opening more than a few inches. These built-in features let you enjoy fresh air without worrying about accidents. For instance, many double-hung windows now include vent stops that limit how far the sash can slide, allowing controlled airflow while keeping children safe indoors. If you're replacing older, hard-to-secure windows, these modern safety upgrades offer peace of mind without sacrificing ventilation or convenience. Impact-resistant glass for extra protection. Smithtown's seasonal weather, from heavy winds to unpredictable storms, can pose risks for older or damaged windows. Impact-resistant glass is one of the most valuable safety features you can add during a window replacement. This type of glass is made with multiple layers and a durable inner membrane that holds the glass together even if it's struck or cracked. Instead of shattering into dangerous shards, it stays intact, preventing injuries and protecting your family from flying debris or break-ins. Impact-resistant windows also deter intruders, as they're much harder to break through than standard glass. For families in Smithtown, this combination of weather resilience and home security makes them an excellent long-term investment. Secure locking systems and reinforced frames beyond glass strength. Today's replacement windows feature advanced multi-point locking systems that provide a tighter seal and stronger defense against forced entry. These locks engage at multiple points along the frame, making it difficult for someone to pry or force the window open. Additionally, reinforced window frames made from vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials provide extra durability. These materials don't warp, rot, or weaken over time like old wooden frames, maintaining their strength for decades. Together, these features create a strong first line of defense for your home, protecting your loved ones while enhancing comfort and efficiency. Easy operation and accessibility. For growing families, convenience and functionality matter as much as safety. New window designs are engineered for easy, smooth operation, so even older family members or children can open and close them safely. Casement windows, for example, operate with a simple crank handle that requires minimal effort, making them ideal for kitchens or hard-to-reach areas. Meanwhile, sliding windows glide effortlessly along tracks, reducing strain and improving accessibility. In emergencies, these designs also make it easier to exit the home quickly and safely, a key safety advantage over older, sticky, or painted shut windows. Improved indoor air quality. Another benefit of replacing outdated windows is the improvement in air quality. Older windows often allow drafts and moisture to enter, leading to mold or mildew growth, which can trigger allergies or respiratory issues, especially in children. Modern, tightly sealed windows prevent leaks while still allowing for controlled ventilation. Some models even feature built-in air filtration systems that reduce dust and outdoor pollutants. This means your family can breathe cleaner, healthier air year-round. Tempered glass for added safety. For windows located near floors, doors, or staircases, tempered glass is a must. It's 4 to 5 times stronger than standard glass and, if it ever breaks, it shatters into small, blunt pieces instead of sharp shards. This feature is especially important for playrooms, living areas, or basements where kids might play or move around frequently. When replacing windows, Smithtown homeowners can request tempered glass in these areas to further enhance household safety. Final thoughts for Smithtown families. Window replacement is an investment in more than just appearance. It's an upgrade in comfort, security, and peace of mind. Modern windows are designed with family safety at their core, offering features like impact-resistant glass, advanced locks, child-proof mechanisms, and improved air quality. By choosing high-quality, professionally installed replacement windows, you're creating a safer, more comfortable environment where your family can grow and thrive. Because when it comes to your home, safety and comfort should always come standard, and today's windows deliver both beautifully.